Another person has been detained in the espionage racket busted by the Delhi police earlier this week. The firing was allegedly headed by a Pakistani High Commission staffer, Mahmood Akhtar, who was served a notice to leave India on account of his diplomatic immunity. The man arrested today is an aide of Samajwadi Party MP Munawar Salim. He was allegedly supplying documents to Mahmood Akhtar. Now, a video of the Delhi police's questioning in this case has emerged. The video shows Akhtar talking about his various meetings in the capital.
अभी लगभग 11 महीने पहले उन्हें पीए की हैसियत से मैंने मौका दिया था और मौका देने से पहले राज्यसभा सचिवालय से उनकी सभी तरह की जांचें हुई थी। दिल्ली पुलिस ने भी की थी, यूपी पुलिस ने भी की थी और उनके बारे में सिर्फ मैं ये जानता था कि वो अब से पहले भी कई एमपीज़ के पीए रह चुके थे। ख़ास तौर से मरहूम मुनव्वर हसन हमारी समाजवादी पार्टी के नेता थे। जांच होने दीजिए, जांच में मेरा भी पूरा सहयोग रहेगा। गुनाहगार को सज़ा ज़रूर मिलनी चाहिए और ऐसे गुनाहगार को जो मुल्क के साथ गद्दारी कर रहा है।
Tracking that story for us is my colleague Tanima Biswas, who now joins us with the very latest. Tanima, we heard the MP there whose aide has been arrested today saying that the law must follow its own course. But what more are we picking up from sources in the Delhi police as far as this latest arrest is concerned, and on how big this entire espionage racket is really expected to be?
Right, Neha, for the moment they are saying that it's a detention, not exactly an arrest, but they had picked up this person, Farhat, who was working with the Samajwadi Party leader here in Delhi last evening, because his name had in fact emerged in that 2-minute video which has in fact been accessed by us, which is related to the interrogation of Mahmood Akhtar, the Pakistani High Commission staffer. In that video, Akhtar is heard talking to the police, giving details about the kind of meetings he had and the locations of some of these meetings. And at the end of the video, he even names some of the people he had been meeting, in which Farhat's name also emerges. In fact, police have also studied the call data records of Mahmood Akhtar and figured out that he was in touch with Farhat. So the suspicion, of course, is that along with the 3 other people who they had arrested earlier from Rajasthan, even Farhat was in some way or the other supplying some sort of sensitive information to Mahmood Akhtar. And the fact that he was working with the Rajya Sabha MP as a personal assistant, probably privy to a lot of important information which was going into the parliament, that is a suspicion, an angle that the police are also checking and looking for. But specifically in terms of national security, that is on the basis of which Farhat has in fact been questioned right now. We are in front of the Chanakyapuri Crime Branch office. He has been kept here since last evening, but we are still to hear from police on what is the exact role of Farhat that they have been able to uncover so far.